Welcome to Granite State Home Educators and our video series. This one is a quick guide to our website to help you make the most of all the information and resources that are available to you. It's all at your fingertips to help you and your family be successful with your home education journey. GSHE is an all-volunteer registered nonprofit dedicated to independent home education families in New Hampshire. We are committed to building and sustaining a community where families can find the tools, resources, and encouragement they need to thrive. GSHE has published hundreds of articles and guides to help families at every stage of their home education journey. Let's take a look at the GSHE website together to help you utilize it to the fullest. If you used our previous website, this one is set up a little differently. More like step-by-step lessons. That way you don't have to figure everything out all at once. We help walk you through everything in a logical, incremental process that you can review as often as you wish, whenever you wish. We revamped the entire website in summer 2024. The website has 3 key areas: how-to guides, the heart of our website, a resource directory, and forum communities. They all require a free registered account for access. We have another section, our blog, that is available without a membership. Joining GSHE gives you access to everything on the website, all of the how-to guides, a huge resource directory that includes over 150 entirely free resources, as well as our forum communities. It also signs you up for our monthly newsletter. You can confidently create an account at GSHE because we do not share your information with any other organization, and we respect your privacy. GSHE does not charge a membership fee or ask for donations, and we don't have affiliate links, advertising, or sponsorships. Let's take a closer look at our how-to guides, the core of the GSHE website. The how-to guides have information and resources that will walk you through step by step through the simple requirements to building a custom learning plan, to finding community of other homeschoolers, and other aspects of providing a great experience for your family. The how-to guides are the heart of the website. The how-to section is where you will find all of the fundamentals and is your immediate reference when you want to know more about home education in New Hampshire. The guides include links so you can research for yourself, along with videos integrated into each section and extra FAQs. This is your go-to source whenever you have questions. This is our current list of how-to guides. Each focuses on a particular topic. Initially, we recommend viewing them in this sequence, but you can later go back to any guide you previously visited in any order you wish. This is particularly helpful so you can gain an overall understanding in an incremental fashion, as fast or as slow as you want. You can go back and review any of it as often as you wish, depending on your needs and interests. Now let's take a closer look at GSHE's comprehensive resource directory. We gathered this information from other New Hampshire families based on their recommendations, carefully curating them for over a decade. GSHE has no association with any of the resources in our directories. These are not sponsored or affiliate links. You can access it from anywhere in the website with the tabs along the top. The directory is in the info section in a drop-down menu. Our resource directory is also integrated into various how-to guides as well, so you can directly go to this information as you are learning more about it throughout the website. Here's a peek at our resource directory. You can filter on types of resources and locations by clicking on the plus key to expand the choices. You can always reset the filters to provide a broader search too. You are not alone. However, we know that it can be difficult to start homeschooling when you don't know other families yet. That is why we have a dedicated resource and tools to help you find and build a community for your children and yourself. Like our how-to guides and resource directory, our communities are behind our membership gate, which allows us to ensure a degree of privacy with anything you post. Facebook and big social media platforms aren't for everyone. That's why we created forums on our website, so you can still find and connect with others for support, advice, and encouragement, as well as social and learning opportunities. You'll find our community tab at the top of our website. Click on it to access all of the forums. Alternatively, scroll to the bottom of the GSHE homepage to access our forums. Finally, our blog is where you'll find the latest news, encouragement, original research, summaries of our how-to guides, family success stories, and helpful tips, as well as legislative and advocacy updates. You'll find our articles highlighted in the newsletters and cross-posted to our forum communities too. This section does not require a membership to access. You can also find our blog from the bottom of the home page. Scroll down to find a few recent articles as well as a link to take you to all of them. Each page will show you the most recent 10 articles. You can search on categories and by tags too, if you're looking for something in particular. Because our website is huge, with over 850 articles and 75 pages of content, use the search terms carefully to get the most precise results. Our GSHE group also publishes a newsletter that delivers current news, upcoming events, encouragement, social and enrichment opportunities, and more directly to your email every month. Occasionally, we also send out legislative alerts when there is an urgent issue. We don't spam you or sell our email list, so you can have confidence when you subscribe to the GSHE newsletter. Not only does it help ensure that you get all this information in a timely manner, it bypasses social media platforms that make it hit or miss about what you will see in your newsfeed. When you create a free registered account on the website, you will be automatically added to our subscriber list. No need to sign up separately. However, if you want to only receive our newsletter without accessing the rest of our content, you can do that in a couple different ways. You can find the newsletter subscription link at the bottom of our home page. This will also take you to every one of our newsletters we've published over the years if you want to go back and see what we've done. If you like what you see on our blog, you can find a subscription link at the upper right corner there too. We hope you'll decide to join GSHE, where you can access all of our how-to guides, the heart of our website, along with our resource directory and our forum communities. It's all free with a registered account. Home education doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't need to know or decide everything at once. You can take it one step at a time, and GSHE is here to walk with you. Thank you for watching our quick guide to the GSHE website video, and thank you for watching.